What's up guys, we're back today. Finally, after a month, we've been gone, but we're back. Here we are, we're at King Richard's Antique Shop, and today we're gonna be doing a little behind the scenes video again. Eric, tell us what we're doing.
So right now we came to King Richard's, going product hunting. And so the product that we're using is Fix Your Lid. We wanted a really like rustic, vintagey vibe. So we came to an antique shop. Luckily, the one in Whittier's, one of the largest ones apparently in California, so that's pretty cool. We've been here before, or at least I have. Came, bought a couple products, so really liked it, so we'll see what we can find today. Let's go.
So here we are inside of King Richard's Antique Shop. We're doing a little shopping around here. Eric's been here before. What are we supposed to look out for?
So I was telling you guys that you really have to look out for everything and anything. First time I came, I was a little, I guess you could say, discouraged. Or I would look at things and, well, I wouldn't know what I'm looking for. And so literally I told them, like, you have to look at every single thing just because everything is on sale and things you wouldn't expect like to work for you will end up working for you. So that's one thing I like to keep in mind while I do my shopping here.
So we're searching, right, and we can't find anything. This store is huge, but I came across this case here, and if you look down there, there's a nice straight edge razor that we think we're gonna get. Hey, where you at? We're down here where we were originally. Come down though, I found a couple things already that you missed, my friend. All right, so here we are. We got our straight edge razor blade. So that's gonna go for $15.50. And then if you look closely in here, we kind of missed it before. You're gonna see some old school scissors and razor and haircut clippers. So right now we're trying to find a backdrop. So I'm gonna place our products on. So we're between some crates right now. We're looking at this one originally, but because it has such a powerful name brand on it, that's gonna be 55 bucks. Whereas we have this one, Diet Right Cola. It's nice, pretty much the same thing, 28 bucks. So we're kind of contemplating this one or maybe keep looking for another one, but I don't know. What do you think?
Let's take it.
All right guys, so we're just here leaving King Richard's. This is what we came out with. We ended up going with that Diet Right Cola. Great. We have these Andis clippers, these cool little metal card looking things, and straight edge razor blade, and all for the total of
whoa 75.01. Boom, right there.
Hold that. Ooh. So for 75.01 today, we're gonna be taking some badass not only product shots, but we're also gonna make a cool little stop motion video. So stay tuned, and let's see how we get into this thing.
Play some EDM music.
Alright guys, we're back here in the studio, lovely studio. So just coming from the antique shop, we're getting things set up a little bit. One, gray backdrop. We're going with a gray backdrop. This is the product we're gonna be using today. Fix Your Lid. You can find this at any Target. We're going with gray because if you notice these little soft touches of gray on the label, so we feel like that's gonna be a good match. Given the look of the brand, we feel like it has a very like rustic, old barber shop type of feel, so that's why we went with these products. Right now we're just trying to get set up for some product photography. We have this C-stand, which is holding a continuous aperture 120D light going overhead, so we're able to control the light more and we're not spilling over to the backdrop. We're gonna get set up, we're gonna set up the composition here, and we're gonna shoot these things.
What do you think, logo or hair palm?
Logo.
Logo.
I like having this open because the teeth look cool, so, and then kind of pointing it that way, so it's like, hey, look this way, right? I don't know if it looks like it's too much though, like it's like, hey, point that way.
I would even bring this in a little bit closer.
Well, empty space.
Just so not everything looks like
spread out
and pointing directly.
Yeah.
For the camera, what's your aperture and shutter speed looking
So
like?
right now my shutter speed is at 1/100th of a second. My aperture is at 8.0 and my ISO is 1600.
So why exactly are you going with the 8.0?
8.0 just so that everything could be in focus as far as the main subject, which is the Fix Your Lid. See those lines?
Yeah.
Kind of get an idea where it will get cropped. So if it's cropped vertical, you want to see this or that part right there. So you just kind of see within this rectangle vertical. I'm gonna try adding fog, create a little bit of a texture. We finished the photo shoot for the products. Now we're doing a stop motion photos that we're setting up.
So we have a very solid video tripod, and on top of that is another DJI Ronin gimbal. This is gonna allow us to get different motions while we're doing a stop motion and not just have it pretty like a stagnant one angle. So it'll let us get a little bit more creative.
We're doing a little stop motion here. Eric's moving this little guy, which is fixated on top of a bottle cap to make sure that it doesn't roll.
All I gotta do is press this button right here. Press it. One.
1, 2.
Alright guys, thanks for joining us today on another video. We guys hope you enjoyed this video, stop motion and product photography. If you guys have any questions about how we did any of the techniques, go ahead and drop a comment down below, as well as if you have any questions or concerns about a future video that you would like to see, drop a comment. We'd love to do a video on it, do a tutorial, whatever it's gonna take. We hope you guys enjoy it again. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time.